Hi everyone, it is Miss Jessica 0621, and today I'm bringing to you a quick DIY on how to clean your leather cell phone cases. Now, if you watched my previous video, you did see the unboxing for this case. This is the Michael Kors Black Saffiano Leather folio case for the iPhone XS, which I have. And so when I got this case, it was pretty dusty. It was stained a little bit. The seller that I bought it from eBay, and the seller, it was like an electronic seller. And all the cases that they had, whether it was designer or just regular cases you could pick up, they did mention that these were cases that they bought from a store that went out of business, and most of the cases were store display. So to let the buyers know that this could have been damaged or stained, since they were store displays and everything. So I definitely appreciate the seller for letting me know that, but I didn't expect it to be as dusty, looking as it was. So since I didn't have any Michael Kors leather cleaner around, or just leather cleaner around period, I decided just to do the next big thing, and that was to Google. And I Googled DIYs for leather cleaners, and it brought up some amazing different ingredients that you can use to clean leather, from either your purses, from your cell phone cases, to your couches, whatever. And so I will be sure to link those websites down in the description box. But also, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell button, so each time I do a new review or video up, you will be the first one to know. So to get back on hand about what we're here for, and that is just to show you guys how to clean your leather cases that you may have, whether it's Michael Kors or Coach or Louis Vuitton, whichever. I have a Michael Kors, and so I just wanted to show you something real quick. And these, once again, are things that I had around the house. So I figured, why not do a video to show you all how to do that. So what you'll need is just like a bowl, like I have, for like a container that you don't mind using. And you'll just need some soapy water, whether it be dishwasher liquid, or facial soap. Now the instructions did say either dish soap or facial soap. I used Dove. I didn't trust Dove on my case. I didn't want to damage it any more than it already was. And it also said that you could use olive oil of any brand, and you could also use vinegar. I wanted to do vinegar, but I was kind of a little skeptical about doing it, but that's just me, and it still may work. They said white vinegar. I don't know about the apple cider vinegar, but I would just stick to the instructions. So I just decided to go with the olive oil since I had some. And so what you'll do is you'll need cold water. Let me not forget that, cold water. And it also need for you to have a damp cloth and a dry cloth, and you can also use paper towels too if you don't have a damp cloth nearby, but you can get. So what I did before, I will include pictures to show you how the case looked before and after, and this is the after of me using the olive oil and the cold soap water. Now, it looks amazing to me compared to how it looked when I first got it out the box. So this is like a total upgrade. So I did the outside just to show you all the outer of it. And I saved this spot that's on the inside here that really is like bugging the heck out of me. And the thing about it is that it's right over the name. So I don't really want to scrub it too much because I don't want to scrub the name off of it. And so I'm just going to do it just one more time just to see if I can get it, this time. If not, then I'm going to just wait until I get to a store or get to Michael Kors and buy the leather cleaner and just take it from there. But for right now, I just wanted to try it myself. So I'm going to lay it here so where you guys can see. And I have my wet paper towel that I was using before. And I'm just gonna damp it, just put it in the water. Now this is cold water with soap and 2 drops of olive oil. I forgot to mention that to you. It says that you can use 2 to 3 drops of olive oil to get it cleaned. So when I did the outside, I only used 2 drops of it, and for the inside, I'm going to do it as well. Now, I will mention to you, you are going to have to scrub. It's not going to come off, you know, just after you rubbed it a couple of times. You're really going to have to put your arm into it. But like I said, since I'm doing a spot that's right on the name, I don't want to scrub it too hard. But I do want to get it so where it's not that noticeable. But it just seems to not want to cooperate with me. As you see, it's still there. So I'm going to just get the dry paper towel that I have. And just rub over it one more time up here. Because there was like a little spot up here on the card slot. So it's a little dusty looking. And I'm going to give it a whirl one more time. I know you're probably saying, this girl's going to mess up this case. I'm trying my best not to because I'm going to be so mad. And then this also was like a Mother's Day gift to me from my husband. And so, okay. All right. So, I think that was about as good as I'm going to get it. Like I said, it's right here on the name. Now, it did come like that in the beginning, but I don't want to, you know, scrub it too hard, too much to cause it to mess up. But in all, the case came out looking amazing from me using the olive oil and the soap mixture that I Googled, which was a quick, I dropped it in the olive oil, a quick DIY that I found. And it's just to get it in spiffy condition until I can either get some leather cleaner or until I can get to the Michael Kors store outlet and get the original one. So, there you go. It looks brand new. There you guys go. And so like I said, this was a quick DIY on how just to clean like a leather case. I hope you guys enjoy it. And also like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell button once again so each time I do a video, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.